plan is to push a button and get a blog post. Over on my YouTube channel, I have a few of these videos about affiliate programs. You can see here, Ally Affiliate Program, Bass Pro Shop, Partners. Here's the Target Affiliate Program, Amazon Affiliate Program, and also the Walmart Affiliate Program. There's actually 15 of these in which I've created these videos, and now I need a way to repurpose them as my own unique content in the form of blog posts. What I've started to do is creating these blog posts from the video, but allowing the AI to do it for me. So again, what I'm trying to do is tap into the idea of people are searching, for example, how do I join the Bass Pro Affiliate Program? Of course, you're going to see the Bass Pro Shop's website here, and then you're going to see some other blogs and videos. Of course, I am going to show up if you click on videos. If you scroll down, you're going to be able to see my video right here. So again, what I'm doing is I'm thinking, how can I create a blog post to capitalize on the fact that I've already created the content in the form of a YouTube video. Now I just want the AI to create me a blog post and to create me something substantial so I have the potential to rank. Of course, I could just go to ChatGPT and tell it to write a blog post from this video and use a plugin like VoxScript, and then I get the blog post that you see right here that it's able to create for me. Real quick, we'll highlight that and we'll take a look at how many words that is, just to give a general idea of sort of the depth of the content. 491 words. Again, I'm focused on creating content that will rank. So I'll take a look at the keyword planner for Bass Pro Affiliate Program. I'm looking at average monthly searches of about 20. But remember, that's just one keyword. And I have 15 of these in total already that I can use to create these blog posts. And again, the concept here is to just push the button and let AI do that for me. And of course, the ChatGPT interface does a pretty good job of this. But what if I could create a blog post like you see here? And you can instantly see that the depth of this, as well as the headlines that it's created, or the fact that it is creating the subheadlines or the headlines, the H2 headlines, based upon the content I've created. And if we were to do a quick word count on this, you could see this is almost a 3,000 word blog post, all from pushing a button and letting AI repurpose my YouTube videos. So now, how did I do it? I went to Koala. You can click the link in the description and try out Koala Writer for free. I went to Koala Writer, opened it up, and you can see they have different options here in the interface. But the one I want to show you today is YouTube video to blog post. I go back to my videos. Here is the latest video that I just created. I simply just get a shareable link. I paste that link in there, and then you can see that it's able to access the video. We're all good. Here you have an option to enable caption rewriting. This is if it's not your own video. I don't know about that option. I would steer clear of that. I'm showing you how to use your own video. And then you can come down here and you can select your tone of voice. I just stayed with SEO optimized, confident, knowledgeable, natural, or neutral and clear. And then I did change this to second person, you, your, or yours. I did use the outline editor, and then I went ahead and selected create outline. Then you can see here, Koala creates a nice outline. Again, we're talking about it created an introduction, or it's going to write an introduction. This is just the outline with all the different H2 tags. And of course, you can drag and drop and edit these and move them around as you see fit. And of course, you can click edit and you can add extra section prompts, different keywords and entities. Also, you can add URLs to link out to here. And then all you need to do is simply, if you're okay with this article, and again, we're using our own video here, so I'm definitely okay with this article being written based upon what I've already said in the video. I just go ahead and I push the button, write article. It starts writing, and you can just sit here and you can watch it do its magic, and the AI is going to create that article, just like the article that you saw that was almost 3,000 words. And this is how you can create unique content for your own blog just by repurposing the videos that you put on YouTube, getting a little bit of extra traffic by repurposing the content that you created on YouTube over to a blog post, so it'll show up in Google search, both as a video as well as the blog post that you've created. Back here, you can see now that it has created the content here. It is almost 2,000 words, and that is 2,000 words that was created from my video, which is almost 6 minutes. You can see here, 5 minutes and 51 seconds. Then at that point, all you need to do is just read this, verify that it makes sense. Of course, edit it and change it where you think it needs changing. But all in all, typically I have found these are pretty good. You will need to take these and get some screenshots and add the screenshots in there, create some infographics, do all that kind of stuff, and improve what Koala has written for you, either manually or go over to ChatGPT and do like I've done here, read this blog post and give me step-by-step advice on how to improve it and rank higher based on the keyword. In this case, this was for the Lego affiliate program based upon the blog post that Koala wrote for me about the Lego affiliate program. You can see here the SEO Core AI plugin gave me all of this information about the technical aspects of the SEO for the blog post, but I wanted to take it a step further. And then I said, or I asked ChatGPT, okay, now evaluate the content and give me step-by-step advice on what could be improved, focusing on the reader and how well the blog post might keep the reader engaged. Start with giving me a breakdown of the style and tone that the blog post was written in. Then you can see here it's breaking down the style and the tone, and then it gives me some recommendations for improvement. One of the big takeaways here is add more personal insight as well as enhance visual appeal. This is going to be, again, like I said, get into screenshots as you walk through. So like what people see in the video, and the reason people like video is they can actually see you joining the affiliate program in this case. So for the blog post, I would need to do the same and enhance the visual appeal by considering adding more visuals such as infographics or charts to break up the text and also give a visual representation of the information. But also, just like I did here in this Bass Pro Shops, you can see here right below the key takeaways, what I did is I embedded my YouTube video, again, utilizing the work or effectively taking the work that I've already done once and making it 2 pieces of content. Let me know what you think, and if you tried this out, let me know in the comments. Also remember, Koala Writer, link in the description. It ain't perfect, but it's pretty good. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.